In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out in CapCut PC using keyframes, step by step. This is a simple editing trick that can make your videos feel much more dynamic, cinematic, and professional without needing any advanced editing skills. Whether you want to emphasize a subject, create a smooth zoom transition, or add movement to an otherwise static clip, this method will help you do it quickly inside CapCut PC. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut and video editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and load the project you want to edit. If you haven't started yet, create a new project and import your footage into the media panel. Once your video is ready, drag and drop the clip down onto the timeline. This is where all of your editing will happen, so make sure the clip is placed correctly and ready to be adjusted. Now click on the video clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. This is important because CapCut only applies changes to the clip you actively choose. After that, move the playhead to the exact point where you want the zoom effect to begin. You can do this by dragging the playhead along the timeline until you reach the starting frame of your zoom. With the playhead in position, look for the keyframe button. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the preview window or in the right side panel. Click that keyframe icon to place your first keyframe. This marks the starting point of your zoom animation and tells CapCut to remember the current size of the clip at this moment. Next, move the playhead forward on the timeline to the point where you want the zoom motion to end. You can make this a short zoom for a subtle effect or extend it longer for a slower, smoother movement. The distance between keyframes will control how fast or slow the zoom appears. Once the playhead is in the new position, go to the video section and open the basic settings if they are not already visible. Here, you'll see the scale setting. If you want to zoom in, increase the scale value. If you want to zoom out, decrease the scale value. As soon as you change the scale, CapCut automatically creates another keyframe for you. That means the software connects the first and second keyframe and creates a smooth zoom animation between them. If you want a zoom in effect, gradually raise the scale number so the subject becomes larger in the frame. If you want a zoom out effect, lower the scale so more of the scene becomes visible. You can also adjust the position slightly if needed, especially if you want to keep your subject centered while zooming. This helps make the animation feel more polished and intentional. After that, play the clip back and preview the effect. Watch carefully to see how the zoom starts and ends. If it feels too fast, move the keyframes farther apart. If it feels too slow, bring them closer together. You can also fine-tune the scale value until it looks exactly the way you want. Small adjustments can make a big difference in the final result. This zoom in and out method works great for tutorials, gaming videos, talking head content, product videos, and highlight edits. It's one of the easiest ways to add energy to your footage and guide the viewer's attention without overcomplicating your workflow. Once you get comfortable with keyframes, you can combine zooms with pans, rotations, and other effects for even more advanced edits. So, just to quickly recap, open your project in CapCut PC, add your clip to the timeline, select the video, set your first keyframe at the start, move forward in the timeline, change the scale value to zoom in or out, and let CapCut create the second keyframe automatically. Then preview the result and make any final adjustments. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.